How to log into your US Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your US Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in US Bank. After that, tap on the first option, which is usbank.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of US Bank, where in order to log in, you'll have to basically first of all locate the login box which is right over here. So in order to log in, you'll have to first of all select your account type. It may be online banking, online investing, business banking, corporate and commercial, or institutional. Once you've done that, simply enter your username and then enter your password. After that, once you tap on the option login, you will have successfully logged into your US Bank's online banking account. And in any case, if you have not yet registered to online banking services of US Bank, you can simply enroll to the online banking services by tapping the option create a username and password. And once you have done all of those, you will be able to log back in using the same username and password. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.